Did you know that every minute your immune system kills one damaged cell in your body that could potentially become cancerous? That's the power of DNA and the immune system. The immune system is like your body's personal superhero, fighting off harmful invaders. But where does it get its superpowers? The answer, my friends, lies in our DNA, the blueprint of life. You see, DNA carries the instructions for building and operating our immune system. When our DNA is healthy, it can efficiently guide our immune system to be robust and strong. But as we age, our DNA can become less stable. This instability can lead to a weakened immune system. That's why it's crucial to take care of our DNA and ensure its stability. So just like a well-oiled machine, your DNA and immune system work in harmony to keep you healthy. Now, imagine DNA as a recipe and your body as a kitchen. You need the right ingredients, right? That's where nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids come into play. These aren't just tongue-twisting terms, folks. They're the building blocks of life. Think of nucleotides as the letters of an alphabet, spelling out the instructions in your DNA recipe. They tell your body how to build and maintain itself, playing a crucial role in the immune system. Then we've got oligopeptides and amino acids. These are like the sous chefs in your kitchen, whipping up proteins essential for your body's functions. They're vital in the production of antibodies, those brave little soldiers that fight off infections and diseases. And let's not forget, these molecules are also key players in DNA repair. As we age, our DNA is more prone to damage, but these molecules help ensure it stays in top shape. So you see, these essential molecules are not just fancy words, they are the secret ingredients to a healthier you. Ever wondered why some people swear by the power of mushrooms, especially oyster mushrooms? It's because these fungi are rich in beta-glucan, a powerful immune booster. But imagine if you could reap the benefits of beta-glucan, along with nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids that enhance DNA stability? That's precisely what our product, Immuregan Glucan, delivers. This incredibly innovative supplement houses all these potent bolstering your immune system in a natural and swift manner. Further, thanks to its unique bioavailability mechanism, it's easily absorbed by the body for immediate use. Now, experience this potent nutrient powerhouse is as simple as clicking on the links in the description box below to learn more and to buy it online. Your immune system will certainly be grateful.